wheel and axle are a type of simple machines. A type of simple machines. Simple machines. Let we see one by one. The first one is inclined plane. Inclined plane. Do you know inclined plane, students? Do you know inclined plane? It is a simple motion. Is a simple motion. Is a simple motion that makes work. That makes work easier. Easier by decreasing the angle at which an object moved. Good. Students, for examples, if you take this one, look. Students, this is an inclined plane. This is an inclined plane, which is not a parallel, which is inclined one. And this is an object. Look, object. So, these objects can easily move upward or downwards. I will repeat it. So, we say that this is an inclined plane. Inclined plane. This is an object, or we can say load. So, a given load can be pushed up or can be pulled down. We can easily move it down or upwards in a very easy manner. So, such type of machine is inclined plane. Simple machine, what we call the inclined planes. So, it is a simple machine that makes work easier by decreasing the angles. By decreasing the angle at which an object is moved. Good. I hope you have got the point, students. Now we're going to see about the second type of simple machines, that is a lever. Students, what is lever? Why it is needed to use a levers? Of course, it's also used for working a given objects, or is a simple machine that makes work also easy. It enables us to work every works in easy manners. So how can we use these levers? Lever is a bar which can turn about 1 point. This point is called pivot or. Now we say that lever also is a type of simple machines, the second type of simple machine. So look, lever is a bar which can turn about 1 point. This point by which a bar is changed is called a pivot or fulcrum. Fulcrum or a pivot is the point at which the lever turns. So the lever is a bar which can turn about 1 point. This point is called the pivot or the fulcrums. The fulcrums. Good. This pivot. So these pivots help us to increase the force. So increase the force. Look, students. So these pivots help to increase the force. It means that the point at which the lever turn, we say that is the pivots or the fulcrums. So on the pivot point or on the fulcrums or the point at which the lever turn, that we can call it pivot and the fulcrums, is it helps to increase or multiply the force of immersions. The force of immersion. The force of immersions. Have you got the point, students? Good. We can list a different type of levers. Look, for examples, hammer used to remove nails. For examples, when the hammers used to remove the nails, it acts as levers. So easily you can remove the nails from a given trees easily by using the lever methods. That's why hammer used to remove the nails is a type of levers or a type of simple machines. The second one is, if you take, the second one is door handles. Door handles and also bottle openers. When the bottles opened, you are applying of the forces which you can, which is the simple motion which group under the levers. So bottle openers, door handles, and hammer used to the nails are some types of the levers. When we explain the levers, we should have to think about three main basic points. I will tell you that points. Students, follow me. Good. Students, are you with me? So, the lever contains first the efforts. In the lever, there is an effort. What is an effort? Effort is, students, the energy that you need. That you need to do something. Students, look, the effort is the energy that you need to do something. The other one is load. Load is something lifted up by the machines, lifted up and carried. The last one is fulcrum. Fulcrum is the pivots about which a lever turns. So look, students, effort is the energy that you need to do something, and the load is something or a given object is lifted up and carried, and the fulcrum is the pivot about which a lever turns. So these three basic things are found in a lever. The first one is effort, the second one is load, the third one is the fulcrums. The effort, the load, and the fulcrums. Thank you very much, students. Let us summarize our today's topic lessons. I hope you have gotten further information from these subtopics. So today we start from effect of forces. We said that forces do have effects. It can shift the position. It can shift the position of a given object. It can change the direction of a given object. Even it can change the shape of a given object. We said that. So we said that simple motion, when we come to simple motion, why motion is needed to do with? As your response for your parents, motion is used enable us to do work in a very easy manner, or to do work easily. So motion is enables us to do work easily. There are different type of motion. So simple motion is a device that can change the magnitude or direction of forces. For example, if you take the pulley, it can change the direction of a force. If you take the bicycle, it can change the speed of an object. So there are different type of simple motion. We say that the first one is inclined plane, the second one is the lever, the third one is inclined plane, the wheel and axles, the pulley. These all are grouped under simple motions. So inclined plane is you can push up or you can push down a given load or a given object more easily on an inclined plane. So then after we say that the lever is a bar which can turn about 1 point. This point is called the fulcrums or the pivot. We say that. So generally during the scaling of the lever, we are going to deal with these three basic things. Whenever you study of the levers, you have to deal with that. You have to know that what we mean by effort, that is the energy needed to do something, and the load is something that will be lifted up and will be carried. The third one is the fulcrums, which is the pivot about which a lever turns. This is the today's topic lesson. If you have any questions, confusion, misunderstanding, please review the video, and first for further information, ask your parents. I hope you will encourage your students at home. Until the next time, thank you very much. Thank you.
አስኳላ ልጆን በቤቶ የሚያስተምሩበት አማራጭ ፊልም። አዳዲስ ፊልሞቻችን እንዲደርሱ ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ የቻናላችን ቤተሰብ ይሁኑ። ፊልሞቹን ሼር በማድረግ ለወዳጅ ዘመዶ ያጋሩ። አስኳላ አማራጭ የማስተማሪያ ዘዴ